Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at the new dash pad for the 68 and 69 Fairlanes and Torinos. These dash pads are the perfect solution for your worn or discolored original dash pad. Made in the USA, they are designed to meet or exceed factory specifications in form, fit, and function. Using modern manufacturing techniques, they are designed with a PVC overfoam construction that will be durable and give your project that finished look. This dash pad features updated gauge pods made from high-quality ABS plastic. This ensures proper fitment with the original equipment gauges. It comes complete with upgraded installation hardware compatible with the newer style gauge pod designs, and also includes new hardware for mounting original equipment clock or block-off plate. This pad will be the perfect replacement for your Fairlane or Torino, and it will give it that fresh off the showroom floor look. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.